Yes, 1 second left. Yes, that's it. Another win, guys. Hi there! Tired of risky trades that don't bring steady profits? Then give yourself a break and try this strategy out. I combined candle analysis to the MACD indicator and was shocked how simple and effective this combo is. Keep your eyes on the screen. Oh, and make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on useful materials and strategies I use in my trades. There I share tips on high quality trades and so much more. Want to earn passively from my trading? Then check out copy trading. My trades will automatically copy onto your account so you can earn passively. Reach out to me for more details and I'll explain everything. First thing, I switch to high and Ashi candles. Okay. Then I select a 15-second time frame and set the expiration time to 1 minute. The investment amount stays at 5,000 each time. Okay. And next we go to the indicators tab. Here we need to select the MACD indicator. Leave the settings on default. Okay, we enter short. So here we see 3 red candles in a row, signaling a local downtrend. The MACD indicator is slightly below the 0 signal line. Yeah, I will show you here. Let's wait for the result. Let's wait. I don't like this movement at all. The price should have dropped, but it's being put up. Okay, let's see. Come on, just drop already. Oh no, that's a $5,000 loss. Okay, it's a small percentage of deposit. Okay, let's go down. Entered short again, did a double position. See, the situation is similar here. No deviating from the strategy. We have a local downtrend, 3 red candles in a row, and MACD dipping below 0. You see? And let's see the result. Now that's a movement I like a lot more. Everything is okay. It's going. Yes. Come to mama. So nice, guys. Yes. It's a profit. Check out the balance. What do you think, guys? Leave your reaction in the comments. Oh, this pair. I'm confidently open a long trade. Look here. 3 green candles. And MACD shows a continuation of a local uptrend. And while we are waiting for the result, subscribe to my YouTube channel and get smarter with each new strategy you watch. Another solid move, and I'm calm because I stick to my risk management and strategy. Okay, it's going up. Keep going. Wow. This trade shows the strategy works both ways if you stick to the conditions. And we get a profit, guys. And let's search for another trade. Next trade, and it's a short entry. A few red candles in a row in a local downtrend and MACD signal for continuation. Yes, everything is okay, it's going down. Let's wait. Not as strong as I hoped. Please drop lower. Go down, please. Yeah, go down. Okay. Yes, 1 second left. Yes, that's it. Another win, guys. Alright, another trade, and this time I'm going long. I see a local reversal, 3 green candles and MACD line crossing, and an excellent buy signal. I'm calm, strategy and risk management are on my side. Trust your strategy, friends. and stick with it. It's going up. It's not a strong rise, but the price is climbing steadily with no pullbacks. And yeah, I believe in profit here. 1 second. Yes! Yes! Perfect! Today's market is just on my point. Okay, as you can see, this strategy works in most trades if you pick the right conditions, of course. And for those inevitable losses, remember risk management has got your back. This strategy isn't magic. It's the result of solid analysis and understanding the signals. Candle analysis combined with MACD gives fewer false signals and more high-quality entries on lower time frames. Don't thank me. Actually, wait. A subscription and a nice comment would be a perfect way to thank me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to build up your trader's toolkit with new strategies. I'd love to see everyone there who wants to grow. Wishing you all profits and see you soon, guys. Bye bye!